Hey everybody, if you have recently written the NEET exam, then on this full moon day, I want you to do this heartfelt prayer to God. So somehow I really don't know. NEET exam has been something that has been very close to me. Maybe because I failed in it. I want people to get that success. And you know what you have to do? Pick up any deity. Hanuman ji, Devi Ma, Mahadev, Bajrang Bali, anybody, okay? And go and sit in front. If you don't get any name, just go and sit in front of your mandir. No need you have to be a Hindu. You can be a Muslim, you can be a Christian, you can be a Jain, Buddhism, any religion. Just अपने भगवान के सामने बैठो and then talk these things to God. See, I'm going to write the exam. I'm going to write the exam. Whatever I know, I've studied well. No, this is an honest thing. Touch your heart and tell कि मैंने ये पढ़ा है. I've studied it. I've done a decent job in revising it also. The whole weight, put it on to Bhagwan Ji now. You have to do this. Whatever I know, I've studied well, and I want to become a doctor. Why? Because either you want to heal people or you find it as a good profession or your passion lies in that. Tell it to God. Bhagwan ji se kaho, I want to become a doctor for this reason, and this exam, passing this exam and getting good marks is very important for me right now. So there's a word called सौंप दिया. मैंने सौंप दिया ये पूरी. I'm giving it all to you ताकि you can do the best. It is not that God makes you pass in the exam. It is what you studied that will make you pass in the exam. But it is that whatever you have studied might come into a better tucker. You will get that answers because of God. So just tell it to him or her, the deity that you believe and love the most, and take a piece of paper and write down thank you, that God's name, for making me clear the exam and score this much. And keep it under the God's feet. जब तक result नहीं आता है, तब तक you should not throw the paper away. Okay? Do this and comment down below how much marks you want from NEET and see it manifest before, because today is a full moon day where I am sending my blessings and prayers to everybody who's writing the exam. And I really hope कि आप लोग अच्छे करें. आप लोग सब लोग मेरे बच्चों की तरह. You're like my sisters and brothers trying for this exam. I pray with my whole heart that you do well, and you will do well. ज़्यादा overthink मत करना. You will do very well. Lots of love. Suviksha.